My name is Aishwarya and I am a ZAP subscriber. I have been ZAP subscribing for over a year now and I'm quite happy about it. I have subscribed to CRETA. I think ZAP subscribe kind of came as an easy solution for me. I was getting extremely stressed about the daily commute every day, and when it starts raining, there are no autos, there are no cabs, and they keep cancelling and stuff like that. So I got really stressed about all of that. So I figured that I should get my own car. But then I could not have bought a car because of the huge down payment and EMI, and then I knew that maintaining the car would be quite a hassle. So then I thought that why not subscribe to one. I do list my car on Zoomcar platform once in a while, mostly on weekends, because weekdays I use the car. Yes, I have referred a lot of people, and all of them are quite happy with ZAP Subscribe. They don't have to worry about any of the services and maintenance and loans or any of those things. So they're quite happy. I think the best ride was when I was traveling to airport with my friends, and it was raining, and we were just listening to music and chilling and just driving towards airport, and that was the most beautiful time I had spent. I think the app has been quite seamless as of late, I would say. I mean, previously there was slight glitches, like reaching the customer care was slightly, it used to take time, but I think now that is sorted, so everything is just perfect when it comes to the app. I do make a little bit of money out of the subscription fee by listing, but that's very rare because I list only during the weekends when I'm not using the car, which is hardly much.